Yasha, what are you doing here? I would like to do my laundry, but I don't want to wash the cat. Kitty, you need to get out from here. Yasha, come on. Come on, come here. Yasha, that's not a place for a kitty. Kitty, come on. Yasha, you need to get out from here. I need to do the laundry. Cat. Yasha, come on, come on. Yasha, you need to get out. Come on, kitty. Well, I guess he likes it here. But you don't want me to wash you, kitty. You better get out. Okay, that's cool. Are you done? Yeah, you found a new spot to hide? Kitty? Okay, it's time to get out. Yasha. I know it's very cozy and a nice spot for a kitty. Yeah, especially when it's warm here. Come on, kitty. Yasha, go. Okay, I guess laundry have to wait. Yes, kitty? Okay.